Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at one win token. The lucky drive is live and you all know they have given us the airdrop eligibility criteria, and 1 week drive is one of the criteria. So finally you can make use of the 1 week drive to qualify for the airdrop. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share, and also join my WhatsApp group, my Telegram channel for high value content. So right now we are going to see their latest update, and also they are doing anniversary, and for that effect there's a giveaway going on. If you're able to click on the link, you're also going to receive the free gift for the anniversary. So they said here that was June 15th. It is the dream of millions and it is finally here. Lamborghini hit lucky drive. You have got 1 month to jump in, and it is not just one prize on the line. Big stake, bigger rewards, one unfortunate summer. Let's make it legendary. So they have been giving us updates like 1 week token question and answer with Mike. You need to read more about them, about what Mike said concerning the 1 week, and how they said how. Here is how it was. We have collected your top question from the community post. Mike will be answering them over the coming week via video messages. Answer will be shared right here on the 1 week token channel throughout the question answer period. So these are the answer. Take your time and read and understand what is really going on here. So this is the video that Mike explained about the questions and answer. So here they have made it here June 18th. They said it is 1 week token day. Thank you to everyone who believed, supported and helped build this journey. We couldn't have done it without you. Happy first anniversary to the entire 1 week token community. We are celebrating our birthday, but you are getting the gift. From June 18 to July 18, take part in the 1 week token anniversary content with 150,000 dollar prize pool. We are rewarding prize across different categories: gaming categories, most referrals, all time and do. So these are the category. So if you want to participate on this, you can quickly go and participate so that you can win the reward. Now they say celebrate the 1 week token anniversary, build your momentum. The anniversary moment is here. This is June 21st. They say celebrate the 1 week token anniversary, bring your momentum. The anniversary moment is now live in the 1 week app. If you have been part of the 1 week token from family since day one, this is your moment to shine. Open the app and claim your anniversary status. So let's tap on this 1 week token so that we can claim the anniversary. So 1 week token, 1 year. Allow it to load. It is not easy. A new task is available. Check the task tab on the main page. Okay, so the lucky drive that is launched is here. You click on the lucky drive. So for you to be able to participate on this giving away of to participate on this lucky drive, which is the Lamborghini, you must connect your wallet, and to link your wallet you are going to pay some. They are going to, it's not free. You need to pay some little amount of USDT before you be able to link your account. So which I'm not advising anyone, but if you truly believe in them, you want to try your luck, you can as well go and participate on the lucky drive. So do not forget to build up your city. So let me claim my earning. So they say that new task has been added, so we need to check the new task here. On the task section you can see it. Tap on the task. So these are the tasks here. So build your city, and do not forget the 1 week games. Build your city, level up, be on the daily check-in to earn more points. This project will cook. Look at what happened to match chain listed at the rate of $6, but initially they locked it to the extent that it was when it was around $2 that they released it for the community to claim their airdrop, to claim and trade their airdrop. So take this one extremely serious. If you believe in them, do what is necessary for you. The 1 week web 2 airdrop criteria, make sure you you follow them up. So I believe I've got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.